Yo, what's going on, y'all? I was just checking in. I have Lucid Motors here, even though Churchill Capital Corp has merged with them, and they haven't came up with a stock symbol together, so they still running on Churchill Capital Corp. So this is Lucid Motors. So we on a weekly chart. Let's take a look at it. Got the opening. The open was at $10.25. I'm not gonna really put that on there because it's real tight right there. Let's see what the high was. Man, 25 cents. Well, I'll put it there. We'll do that. It'll look a lot different. It'll spread out once I go to the different time frame. You can see it ran flat for a while. Through October, November, December, New Year's. Everybody know what stocks been doing since the beginning of the year. Highly volatile, running up. Due to the presidency, y'all know that. So everything came in and ran up and it made a high at 64.8. So let's get this here drawn real quick. So we have resistance here. Resistance here. Into the day chart here, you can see get better support on resistance here. Um, 43.94. Double tap right there. It's 320. Ah, all right. Here we got some action right here. This 27.30, guys. I know I mumbled it a little bit. All right, we're on a day chart, so y'all know we're gonna put a trend line on that, so we know this thing coming down. Unorthodox, but it's coming down. Been having a rough start. We gotta get this merger stuff completed and all that good stuff. So that would definitely drive the stock down once the merger happens. That's pretty much what they call a market correction. So that's just kind of generally what happens. All right. We have another level here. I'm gonna put something here. Right. This. What would that be? All right. So this thing is really moving down. I mean, it's been fairly bearish and really correct itself. Look like it may possibly go into a range. a real strong. It had the less no strong upside move, but let's take a look at it on a smaller time frame. We go to the hour chart. Yep, it broke. We would have put a trend line here. That was a trend line break, so we know this thing is moving bearish as of right now. So right now, I mean, it's no real good consistent buy that you can possibly go, but if it does get it, make an area, you possibly make a buy, it would be somewhere down here. Hopefully they make some changes over a period of time. Excuse me. We're gonna make that purple. All right. So if you want to sell the market, you can continue selling this thing at least down to this level, and do another analysis on it and see what happens. Right now the market's at 26.15 and it's consolidating, so I'm expecting more downside movement to the downside, but we'll see. Hold on. All right, sorry guys, back. Yeah. So check this out. We do have level of resistance here that's pretty strong. I see a lot of wicks going up against the area right here. There's definitely gonna be a level of resistance here. So we'll put a level there as well. So you have to be a little bit careful. A little bit careful. See how it reacts to this 25.16 resistance right there. We'll see if it want to bounce and move back to the upside. Maybe start ranging a little bit between this 25.16 and 32 price. We'll see what happens, but if it really stays bearish and breaks through this line, this is a possible good price. You can make a buy signal. This range, if it's just start ranging, just buy and sell the top of the range. If any of you guys know about any type of different types of trading, that's a different type of trading you can do, as far as trading structures. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. What's going on right now until we get some real good fundamental news about this company. It pretty much might stay in this area for a little while and until further notice. So Alex Jenkins checking out.